Okay. Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam,
Morning,
teacher.
teacher.
Morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Morning.
Okay, so for today's class, we will be going on through to chapter 5, Thermochemistry. But before that, we will let's open our class today with reciting Ummul Kitab Al-Fatihah. Okay, so let me share the screen for a bit. Oh, okay, so before that, how are you today, everyone? It good?
I'm good.
Good,
Alhamdulillah.
teacher.
Good
Allah,
teacher.
Alhamdulillah, everyone is good today. So, okay, so let me share my screen. All right, so today we will be learning about chapter 5, thermochemistry. So for don't worry, this chapter is just as simple as it comes. Don't worry. When it comes to thermochemistry, um what comes in your mind when it comes to thermo? Okay, so I wanna ask Ifa, what do you think when it comes to thermal? What comes in your mind?
I think about heat.
Okay, that's a good answer. What about Christina? What do you think about the word thermal only?
I have the same thought as Ifa, where thermo is all about heat.
Okay, that is good answers. Okay, so thermochemistry is about the study on how heat exchange in surrounding and also the system. So without we okay, and now we will going into the chapter. Okay, before that, okay, I will explain our learning objectives. Okay, first objective is by giving a definition of exothermic and endothermic reactions in simple terms, student will be able to define the exothermic and endothermic reaction with scientific accuracy. And then second, when exothermic and endothermic reaction are shown visually to student with information, student will be able to state how exothermic and endothermic reaction occur with 80% accuracy. And the last one is the given diagrams of examples for each of the reactions. Students will be able to explain the examples of exothermic and endothermic reactions in their daily life accuracy. Okay, so far so good?
Yeah, good teacher.
All right, now let's move on to the next one. Um, when you guys see, can you guys see the picture? These two pictures.
Yes, teacher.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah, teacher.
okay. Okay. When look at these pictures, I want you guys to imagine about the situation of you guys with in this situation. So I wanna ask Atika. Um, okay. For the first picture, what did you see?
I can see baju yang dijemur.
Okay. So I wanna ask you, um, did you have experienced this in your experience before?
Yes.
Okay, so okay, when you okay, how do you feel when you touch the clothes after it been dried out?
At first, before we drying, dia basah kan. Tapi after we dry, dia kering. I think
Uh,
it is because of maybe evaporation of water.
uh, okay, that's a good opinion. Okay, and then for the next one, I want Sophia to to give your opinion about the picture. What did you see in the picture?
I see ice water, teacher.
Okay, so I want to know what happened. What do you feel when you touch the ice water? The glass of the ice water.
Cool.
All right. So you can okay, so from you two opinion, we can see that we from these two pictures, we can actually feel something when we experience from the pictures. So that actually has a connection to our lesson for today. So um uh did you know or not, maybe you realize or not, these pictures actually when you experience it, it actually you actually experience uh, exothermic or endothermic reactions. Did you guys know? Okay, maybe some of you already know. Okay, maybe some of you guys already know, and maybe you guys don't some of them didn't even realize about these reactions. So we will learn both of the reactions for today. Okay. Okay, can you see the slide? All right.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
teacher.
all right, so we will learn about endothermic and exothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction is the definition is a reaction in which energy is absorbed to form a product. From here we can see that okay, for example, melting ice, dry ice, photosynthesis, and shivering. So, imagine having ice in your hand, and then it slowly melts. So that means that your the ice itself is absorbing heat to become a water. Do you understand? All right.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Okay. Do you have any question about endothermic reaction? Like anything you don't clear enough? Okay, so far so good, everyone.
Yes,
All
good.
right. So we're moving on to the next slide. Okay, this is how endothermic reaction happens. So the heat from the surrounding, from something, will be absorbed by the system itself. Like for example, like ice is we call it as a system, and then it surround has heat. And so the ice absorb the heat, so it becomes water. Do you guys understand? All right.
Yes.
So moving.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so we're moving on to the next slide. Okay, so the next slide is exothermic reaction. So exothermic reaction is totally opposite to the endothermic reaction. Okay. Do you remember what endothermic reaction is? Okay,
Yes.
the energy is
Release.
Absorb.
wrong. The energy
Endo.
is
Absorb.
absorbed for endothermic.
Endo. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. We learn every day. So we learn by mistake. So endothermic, we absorb the system absorb energy. In this case is heat energy, okay? Not any other energy, okay? So this time exothermic, the heat energy released to its surrounding. So for example, here are combustion, neutralization, respiration, and rusting. So to be example, okay. What hap I want to know Okay, I want to hear you guys' opinion about if you burn a paper, for example. What do you feel when you burn a paper? Anyone? Mm,
Hot.
okay. Okay, that's right. That's right, Tika. Atika said that when you burn a paper, you will feel hot. That was right because heat energy is released to the paper surrounding or specifically fire. So we can feel the heat from there. Do you guys understand? All right. All
Yes,
right.
teacher.
Okay, now we're moving on to how does exothermic reaction happen. So from the system itself, like Atika said, we can feel the heat from the burning paper because when the paper burns, the fire there release the heat. So that's why we from the surrounding can feel the heat, can absorb the heat. Okay. So do you guys understand? I was afraid. All
Yes,
right.
teacher.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Uh, good to know that you guys understand this part. Okay, to the next slide. Okay, for more understanding, let's observe a video.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera.
You guys can hear it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
let's watch a video. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, wait for a second.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Saya Toishing murid 3 Tekun dari SMK Tun Abdul Razak. Saya akan menerangkan bab
Oh my, it's stuck.
5. Tajuk-nya Thermochemistry. Apa itu Thermochemistry? Thermochemistry ialah kajian tentang perubahan haba semasa tindak balas kimia berlaku. Terdapat dua jenis tindak balas kimia, iaitu tindak balas eksotermik dan tindak balas endotermik. Dalam tindak balas eksotermik, haba akan dibebas ke persekitaran, seperti dalam proses pembakaran kertas, letupan bom, respirasi dan penetralan asid dengan alkali. Tindak balas eksotermik akan menyebabkan suhu meningkat dalam hasil tindak balas. Pada tindak balas endotermik pula, haba akan diserap dari persekitaran, seperti dalam proses fotosintesis, membuang kek, pengestrakan besi daripada biji besi, dan melarutkan garam amonium dalam air. Tindak balas endotermik akan menyebabkan suhu menurun dalam hasil tindak balas.
Okay, I guess you guys can understand from the video. So is it good, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we will moving on to quick quiz, which is we will be using Bluecard. From this Bluecard, for this quick quiz, each student must participate in the quiz. This quiz will be individual. So I want everyone to open the website bluecard.com and enter the game that I will be hosting. So the teacher will, I will share the screen so that you can enter the code either with the number series or the QR code. And make sure to answer as fast as you can, and make sure to get it all correct to defeat other students. The winner will get a present in the next class. So are you guys excited?
Yay!
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
like the
teacher.
enthusiasm. Nice. So I will be open the Bluecard. Don't worry, it's just 5 questions. Okay. Can you guys see? Can everyone see the website? Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You can join in now. Meanwhile. Alright. So okay. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. All right. Let's start now. Oh, time's up. Okay, so
Yay.
Tanya, congrats to yeah. Okay, who is
Pasal kita dah kalah.
Atika, teacher.
Oh, congrats Atika for getting the first place. And
Don't forget the
congrats.
present, teacher.
Don't worry. I will bring it next week. Don't worry. Congrats to Omil and Sophia Muah as well. Who is Omil, by the way? Is it Iva?
Sampai hati
Ni.
teacher.
Congrats. Don't
Dia
worry.
tak mati sebab kalah tu teacher.
Don't worry, Christina. Don't worry. It's a learning
Teacher, you
process.
give wrong answer.
I'm really sorry for my behalf. Don't worry. Next week I will give a present to everyone. Don't worry. But of course, the
Ni
first
nombor
place.
1.
Okay. So, have you guys had fun from the game?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. I'm glad that everyone had fun. So we'll be having a recap. Wait. Okay. So, okay, so let's recap what we had learned today. So we have endothermic and exothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction is heat energy absorbed during the reaction. So we have an example like that example that I gave are melting ice, dry ice, photosynthesis, and also shivering. And therefore the exothermic reaction energy released during the reaction. For example, combustion, neutralization, respiration, and also rusting. So, is everyone have any problem with this topic?
No.
No.
No, teacher.
Okay. So, does anyone have any question before we moving on to the next chapter, next class?
No.
Not yet, teacher.
All right. So I guess everyone understand what we learned today. So I think okay, so I think that's all for today. That's all for today's class. Thank you for coming into my class today, and hopefully you guys can understand what I taught you today. If you guys have if anyone has any question, just DM me or just ask in the group chat. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
All right.
Okay,
Thank you.
teacher.
Okay. Thank you for today. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher.
Thank you,
Waalaikumsalam.
teacher.
Bye.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. Wah. Okay. Cut. Dah. Macam mana aku nak stop meeting ni? Stop.